Okay, so this is our application. If you are having multiple location, you can select the location from here, and by default there will be no password. Directly you can click OK. And the first thing I am going to explain you the inventory master. So in inventory master, and the shortcut is F2. You can press F2 also. So by default, system will generate the item code, and if customer having any specific barcode, they can scan the barcode here. Otherwise, system will generate the barcode. And the group, they have to select the group. So basically, for opticals, there will be group like frame, sunglasses, solution, and if they want to create any new group, they can enter the group name here, then save. So I select the group frames, and after that you have to select the category. So under each group there will be category. So in frames I can see only one category is here, FR. If I want to create a new category, I would select the group frames, maybe like metal frames. So now I can select that category here. And in item name, so basically we are following one method, like if it is frame, we will enter FR first. If it is sunglass, we will enter ST. It's because in optical certain model like Ray-Ban 3025, that model available in frame and sunglass also. So if you mention FR or ST, uh, you can understand it's frame or sunglass. So first we will enter FR or ST. In our case it's frame, so I enter FR, then the brand name Ray-Ban, then the model number RP3025, and if they want to give the full details, they can enter the size number like 58 and the color C2. And brand name, this is the brand master. Here they have to create all the brands. Okay, now I select the brand Ray-Ban here. Origin, if they want to put the origin name, they can like China, Japan, Italy, whatever. And model number, these all fields are optional. The required fields are like item code and barcode system will generate, and the group category they have to select, and item name they have to give, and all other fields are just optional. Here I give RP3025 and size number 58, color C2, and the basic unit I select numbers. In standard cost, they can put their standard cost, maybe like 240, and in selling price they can put the price. So in our software we have three level of prices, like price level 1, price level 2, and price level 3. The use of this, if if they have in multiple branches and all branches they have in different prices, in that case what they can do, in location master they can select that particular branch, and they can select the price level 2.